Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and welcome to another edition of House Renovation Time. And today we have a toilet here that has scratches from a toilet auger. It also has some marks from a plunger. So we're going to have to get these scratches out. And that's the subject of the video for today, how to get scratches out from a porcelain toilet bowl. First thing you do is turn off the valve. Then flush the toilet. And then get a bucket and a little container and scoop out that water until you're down below the level of the scratches. Now I'm going to use this product here, a Lysol Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner. And what you do is you take it and you put it on the scratch. And we're going to let that sit for 15 minutes. If you read the directions, that's actually what it says on the directions. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and an amazing thing seems to have happened. The scratches seems to have lessened. Okay, now I'm going to use a latex glove and a scrubbing pad and see what happens. How do you like that? I think it's gone. Huh? I'll be darned. Man, those scratches are gone. We'll know better after I flush it and get some clear water in there, but I'm happy with that. All right. By the way, when you're doing this, always have a bucket. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the water valve back on. And I'm going to flush it. The water is kind of dirty. I'm going to flush it again. Now, those scratches are gone. Okay, those scratches are gone, so that's really good, but I'm seeing a little area right on this side right here that still needs some work. So I'm going to repeat this process. Once again, I'll turn off the valve, flush the toilet. Scoop out the water. Okay, these scratches really appear to be gone, but I still have some stuff on this side right here. So I took a little more water out of the tank this time and put it right over here, maybe a little here or two. But I'm going to let this little problem area right here. So I'm going to let that soak for another 15 minutes. And I'm going to go at it again. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the valve again and flush it again. I flushed it a couple times and see how it came out. So here's the final product, and I don't see any more scratches, but I have to ask Mrs. Sparky Channel what she thinks, because that's the important opinion.
Ooh, oh, it looks great. I don't see any scratches at all. It looks clean.
What do you think about that Lysol product?
Oh, I think it works great. The trick is to leave it in there for 15 minutes and be patient. You have to let it do its thing. A watched pot never boils.
Yeah, my hardest part is being patient. I'm just not real patient.
I agree with that. But this looks great, Sparky.
Okay, thanks a lot. Now, this is a house renovation video. Don't worry, there's more electrical videos to come. I got a bunch of them coming up. I have one, next one should be fixing a three-way switch in an actual 1957 house. So it's coming.
But sometimes life gets in the way of Sparky Channel electrical videos.
Okay, thanks a lot.